And what we're going to do is to add everything into this bag, which is fantastic. Split that in two, put this part, one of the parts inside the bag, press it like this, then put this little top up into this. The bag is ready. The chicken first, then add your onions, then we put the spices, the black pepper, the cocoa powder, which is great aroma. Then we have coriander, then cumin, then fennel seed, then your smoked paprika. Crack the garlic with the skin, then the herbs, very importantly. I will make sure the herbs are kept in the water, nice and fresh, into the bag. At the last and very last minute, you add your espresso, hot or cold. Then you can add your extract of vanilla, or even so vanilla pod. Now we need a little bit of honey, not too much. Press everything together. Use this wonderful, it's like a peg basically. Go inside, press one way, and then this is the magical trick. Put it inside and just remove the excess of air from the bag. Put your bag in, add your water. Therefore, if we are sous vide cooking, I will put about over a liter, put a lid bag on the top, and what I will do, I will choose the manual program. I'm going to put a temperature of 95 actually, here we are, and then the timing will be 35. Job done.